Are you a board member or an aspiring board member? I want to ask you a question. What makes an effective board member? What is the role of the board in strategy and execution? What is the role of the board in risk management and compliance? You know what happened to one of the telecom companies in Nigeria when the board failed in their role of compliance? Please Google and you'll find the results. Before I became a board member, I always wondered, how does somebody become a board member? So I have put up a tool to help you discover ways of how to become a board member, and when you become a board member, how to succeed as a board member and leave an impact. Summit Board Tools will provide you all the tools you need to become an exceptional company secretary so that you deliver the minutes just immediately after the board meeting has ended. It will also give you insights on how to be a better board chair so that everybody adds value and people don't sleep on you in the company. So click below and download the Summit Board Kits or call us for a board induction. And as a chief executive, sit and relax because the board will do their role. Thank you.